Welcome to our tutorial about Autodesk Inventor's user interface. The interface in Inventor changes according to the environment you're in. For example, tools in the part modeling environment look different than the tools in the sketch environment. Here you've got the standard Windows main drop-down menus on top. Below is the standard toolbar. The upper left corner contains what's called the panel bar. This displays a variety of different commands depending upon which environment you're in. In the lower left corner is the browser. It contains a tree structure that you can use to quickly navigate through your work. Now I'm going to grab and undock the browser. I can redock it by dragging it back into position. We can also resize the panel and the browser. Let's restore it. The toolbar and the menu bar can also be undocked and moved if needed. Let's move the menu bar. And now let's dock it. Let's customize our environment a little bit more. We go to Tools and Customize. The first tab controls the environments. We select the part environment. For available toolbars, let's select the panel bar. Let's check, let's say, the first 4 boxes. Click Close. And as you see, these tools are now available in the panel bar. Let's go back to the Customize dialog window. Let's uncheck these tools. Now let's select Menu. Now check the first few boxes and click Close. Let's go to View and Toolbar. Now the 2D Sketch toolbar is available right here. Let's close this toolbar. Click on the red X. Now let me show you how to create a custom toolbar. Back to Tools and Customize. Let's go to the Toolbars tab now. Here we can view and modify existing toolbars. You just select the toolbar you want to change, click Show, and then drag on the tools you want to have available. Drag out the tools you don't want to have available. Let's close. And let's select Create New. We'll call it My Toolbar. Let's underscore it so it appears at the top of the list. And OK. And we see our new toolbar right here. Let's reposition it. Right now it's empty. Let's add some tools. We go to the Command tab. From here we can simply grab and drag tools right into the toolbar. OK, let's go back to the Environments tab. Let's check My Toolbar. This will make it available on the panel bar. And let's go down to Menu. Let's deselect the rest of these and close. Now we have access to my new customized toolbar here. It's also available under View and Toolbar. There's my toolbar. Let's check it again to make it visible. Let's say I want to delete my new toolbar. We go back to Tools and Customize, go to the Toolbars tab. We simply select our new toolbar and then click Delete. And this concludes our review of Autodesk Inventor's user interface.